Hi guys, this is Ahmed and welcome to Understanding Technology. And today we're going to be doing another one of these videos, and I'm back with the gameplay and a video that is about a fantastic game and a simple game. So that game is Go Plane, and it's a simple game and it's a type of action game, time passing game, score making game, blah blah blah. There's so much types in this game, so let's get started. First, you can see the thumbnail here. It's very simple, as you can see, and this is the first interface, and we have to click on this for choosing the planes. I was playing this since 2 hours and I unlocked this much things. I am having total 7 planes and I have to unlock 5 planes more. So I have already these are unlocked, so I need to unlock more 5, and this game is for 40 MB. It's a small game for time passing and it's an interesting game because I was playing this since 2 hours. That's why I know about this game. And let us rate the game here, and let's get rating of this game. Come here. Oh, I'm bluffed. So now you can watch the ratings of this, and guys, I'm rating this game right now. So I'm rating this game for 4 stars. Controls. And controlling is slightly stucking while playing this game in the fever mode. So I will give this only 3 stars. Gameplay is light. Graphics are slightly like a Sega. So I will give this 3 stars. So as you can see, it's my review about this. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you for watching this video. One disappointing thing is that it's not having any sound and sound effects, any music, game sound, anything. We just got vibration, so it's a disappointing thing, and it's a very nice thing for those people who is like me. I don't like sounds in the game, so it will not disturb others while playing this game. So it's a nice thing, and it's a disappointing thing for those people who love music in the games. And the controls, we just have to move our finger around the screen for saving this plane from the missiles. I'm getting closer to that missile for making fever. Can I make? No, it's not a chance to get. Plane will fly automatically. As you can see, there are a lot of ads in this, so I hate this. I hate this all, and the plane will fly automatically. Just we have to move the plane from with the help of our fingers on tapping on the screen. We can also slide our fingers on the screen for moving. I got the fever. Yes, I will kill everyone. As you can see, it was a big disaster. I like that. I love to play this game. I am the big fan of this game, so you make sure you download this game. I'm very happy with this game. Previously, I have did a review of an interesting game named as Run Sausage Run Part 2. So watch that if you not. And this is also another review and a gameplay of more interesting game than Run Sausage Run. So if you like this type of games, so download this. I got the fever. My best is 2522 2522. I just hate the rockets who get closer to me. Let's check the ad, life-saving ad. Probably it will show you the ad of Sniper 3D or games. It will show you the ads of games, but sometimes it will show you the online market like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra. It will show you like that also. So the ad is completed, so let's get ready for that. Because of this, we are not having any timer like 3 2 1 go for ads, so we have to get ready before ad ends for playing this game. Why it is in the slow motion, I can't understand. Let us go to the missile. Kill us. It's not killing us. Why it is in the slow motion? I think something went wrong. Okay. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Here and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon to be notified with me. And I will give some interesting videos on my channel. And be awesome and be some techie. Thank you.